Let's do a garden tour. We're in Houston, Texas. That's Hades, 170-pound Great Dane. These are persimmon trees. I've got 5 of them. It's March. All the plants that you're seeing are all volunteers coming up from seeds from last year. I haven't planted anything. Most of this is Malabar spinach. And then I have 6 planters with chives that I brought down from Michigan. And I only brought 1 planter down, and the rest have all started growing from volunteer seeds. These are all Malabar spinach vines. This will be completely covered in vines. One of the reasons I like the spinach, well, there's several reasons. One, it tastes good, but number 2, it's a vine, so it works good with my trellis approach here. And then also, it's a good shade crop. When the vines grow up, it can handle the hot sun, and it shades my other plants that I grow. There's another persimmon tree. This one had too much sun last year, so it's not starting out very good. Look at the new growth up there. I love these persimmons. That's my tour.